Hi, I'm Dr. Srilata Guneshekaran, Associate Consultant here at Medanta the Medicity. I'm taking care of cornea, refractive surgery services and cataract here. Basically here at Medanta we have a comprehensive ophthalmology setup, and being a cornea specialist, as a cornea and anterior segment, we have all the latest diagnostic equipments for management, for diagnosis and treatment of any patient with cornea problem. We also have all the bladeless femtosecond refractive surgery suite, the wavelight refractive suite for removal of glasses. We can perform LASIK procedure on wavelight refractive suite. And apart from that, the diagnostic equipments that we have are like Oculus Pentacam HR. There is a specular microscope available, anterior segment imaging. So we make it a point that all the patients are seen thoroughly well, and all the relevant diagnostics are being performed, and appropriate treatment is given here. At Medanta, we have all the facilities to manage a patient with of keratoconus. We have the diagnostic tool of Pentacam, and we can also do the contact lens fitting. We can do a cross-linking with Avedro cross-linker. And we also have the facilities of doing keratoplasty procedures, be it the DA-LK or the full thickness keratoplasty. We also have the facilities to do a DSEK procedure for patients with endothelial dystrophies or decompensation or bullous keratopathies. Apart from that, the refractive suite that we have is the latest one in the world, and is the fastest laser platform that is available for doing the LASIK procedure. And we also perform ICL procedures for patients who have high refractive error, like where it's more than -8 or -10, or where the cornea is too thin. We can go ahead and do ICL procedure.